guys, it's Linda here from Taco Plays. How to look like a VIP even when you're a starter to MSP. And I'll be using UK MSP because I'm going to use the Hack by Lisa to also show you an outfit you can use. So I'm not going to make it up to 10,000 for those who don't have that type of star coins. So yeah. So just wanted to play now. This is for all servers. This is just for a basic look. For the outfit, you have to either earn that or if the hack works for wherever you are, not the US. I know for a fact it doesn't work there, but if this hack is for you also, you can make sure that you use it. So I'm going to show you how to make a VIP girl. So let me just click on her, wait for her to load, and then with the skin, the VIP skin that you see the most is somewhat around here. So that was 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, around the 5th one here. And then you go to facial expressions and features. And then you don't want to go for her nose being too big unless you like it like that, or like this. What most people do is this type of nose. Then with the eyes and mouth. People don't really prefer to use this one if they're trying to make a VIP inspired look. They decide to make the mouth like this. And then with the color, it depends on what type you're trying. If it's goth, you might want to use black. If you're just trying to make a girly-girl VIP, you'll go down here to this section, and you'll go from this bar, and then to this bar, and then the third bar right here, and then you'll click the third one going up like this. And then here's a color you can use, and then with the eyes, you want her eyes to be big and bold, but you also want her lashes to be big. So like with this one right here, this one, her eyes are really small, and she doesn't have that much eyelashes. This one, her eyelashes are bigger, but it's also like a starter one. And with this one adds more like volume to her eyelashes or whatever. So you'll just click whatever color you want it, green, blue, yellow, orange, doesn't matter. So I'll just go with a green, like somewhat like this. And then with the hair, you want to use a hair that will get you attention, but not like desperate attention. So with this, I would not prefer to use that, but if I did use it, I would most likely have the top part black and then the bottom part like something that looks like it's highlights like this. I would make the top black for a fact, or a blonde or brown. Or I would mostly go with this hair. And then this one would most likely be brown, black, or blonde. So I'll just go with the blonde one, which is the third one down there. And then with the shirt, you don't want something that looks like too trashy or too like nudish. So I'll just go with this shirt again. But then you also don't want it to, if you like it like this, you can keep it whatever color. But I just prefer to change the color of this shirt to be black. It kind of makes it look like a regular t-shirt. And then for the pants or skirt, I prefer to make something that is like black skinny jeans. So like with these tights, since the majority of it is black, what you can do is just turn this one black and this one black. But the only thing about it is that you still have some shine from wherever. Now if you use this guy, the thing about it is you still, even if you change these to black, you can like see the buttons a little bit. So if you try changing the main color to like just black, you still see the buttons, but it's not that visible. Or if you're wearing a skirt, you would most likely, like I personally do not like these designs on it. So like I would try to match the skin tone. I'll see something like, I don't really know right now, but something like this. If your legs are like this color, you try to match it. But what I would do is use this for now. And then for shoes, I just prefer to use these because I'm not really a heel person. I prefer flat. So then this one you can actually change it to whatever color you want. I would prefer these to be white. And then you'll just give yourself a name. So we'll call ourselves Pink Cups 42. I don't think that can work. Okay, and then this account is available to anyone who actually sees it, so I think she might get locked out by the time I upload this video, but her password is going to be Pink Pup. It's going to be like this, exactly like the username. So it's Pink Pups 42. And then again, and make sure there's no spaces whatsoever. I think I put a 1 in this. I don't know, what's that? Pink Pups 42. Okay, now it works. So, oh, I hate this so much. Wait, no, I think I know why. Okay, so Pink Pups 42, and do that again. And this is Pink Pups 42 again. And then now let's see, your password may not contain your Okay, so we'll just change this to 41. And this one to 41, right? Okay, fine. So her password is Pink Pup 41. I'll just make a little sticky note right now. Okay, so Pink Pup. I'll be right back once I get this done. Okay, so I just finished the hack, and I level 6 with 5,200 coins. So you're just going to go to the beauty clinic. And if you want, you can actually go and buy yourself one of the new eyes that they added. But what you should do is go here to like eyeshadows and then wait for that to load. Then go to the second page. I think it's going to be the first one here. It costs 100, so that's a good thing. And then buy this eyeshadow, but change the colors up. So this one, which is the middle part, change that to white. Then the green, change that all to black. You can keep the black part. And then you could buy. Now wait. Now when you get eyelashes from the store, that also adds like, it makes it look much better on your character. So now, wait for that to load. I'm sorry guys for lag, I don't know what's going on right now. Oh, and BCW, here's the accountant's name, her name, and then her password. So what I like to do is I like to go to the top to find the most popular stuff, but I don't really buy the things from whatever like theme is going on. So an ideal outfit I would go for is maybe spider lashes, freckles right here, change this to black. Or I would prefer it from either black or a red like this. Something like that. What else? maybe a hairstyle like this, or blonde, or whatever hair color you like. Like if you want a red, a darker red, a brown, gray, black, or blonde, or pink, then I would most likely get something like that, but I use that too much. And then with the eyelashes, oh, that's ugly right there. Anyway, I would wear this, and I would get these shoes, but then switch the colors. So make this part white. Oh, this game is getting on my nerves right now. A second ago, I'm sorry you guys for all this lag. A second ago it was not lagging like this. Okay, so, anyway, character's most likely gonna get banned in a few seconds. 1 minute, something like that. Change this to white. Get these shorts. You don't need to follow this exact outfit, I'm just showing you what my ideal outfit would look like. And the thing about it is I own majority of everything on my US account. So, we already have the shoes. If you want earrings, you can go for something like that. Or you could be inspired by higher level people there. I would take a visor, change this to black, change that to black, and then change this to white. Let's see. I mean, a shirt. So, I would also take these earrings. Did I say what the fuck was that? Take that as white. And then since it's going to be like a while since we found a shirt, you could just go to shirts and like pick out the style because we're not going to look through 151 different pairs. So we're going to go for like a tank top or a t-shirt. And then, let's see. We'll most likely go for one of these like Wolf from Meow, but without that showing. So we're like, change it to our own color. Like something like this. And have that load. And then we could, if it's going to be a main account, and you have a lot of star coins remaining, you could just go and buy yourself an animation. Like, for example, if you go to the top, I suggest you go to the top because that's where you find most of the popular owns, or if you already have one in mind, you can go to whichever category it's found in. So I'm not really going to look for, like, one of the pet owns. I'm just going to look for something for my own style. And if you like to pick something that is, like, not that much, you could just look at the price and then see it's for a low amount, just buy it. Like, so look at me, I would most likely get that. No, I'm going to get this. And then put that on. I think that's a pose. Right, a little something. Oh, I forgot the little. Doesn't matter. Okay, anyway. And then, yeah. Now you have a bunch of money to spend. So, so you can just do whatever you want. If you want, go buy yourself a pet. Go buy yourself some furniture, stuff like that. Just have this load again. If you want a boonie or whatever, click on it, go buy that. Buy some pet accessories. If you want a new pair of eyes after you already bought one, you could go buy that. If you want to buy people their wishes, you can buy it. Like, the hat gives you a bunch of endless different things that you can do with it. But you can't keep the account that you have because they're not going to allow that. Okay, then my game just froze. Interesting. Yeah, I just, wait, no. I am going to destroy this computer. Okay. I'm getting so desperate for this cuts. Okay, I think I froze again now. No, okay. Cuts are not really that important, but we'll just let this thing leave so I can go. Okay, good. So now, you're here, you have some money, you're level 6, and what most people do is they buy items off their wishlist with this hack. And if you would like to know how to download the hack, you could go and check out my, I think it's my second video that I made 5 days ago. If you do that in the description, I have 2 different links, I don't know if they work. I forgot which link I got my own from. And if you don't want to do the hack and you just want to win it as a prize, I am doing a wishlist giveaway on UK only, because that's why I can use the hack, but not on US because that's a lot of work. But if you want to win your full wish list, you can go on UK, and you're on the UK server, you can just watch that video, follow all the steps, because if you just comment and you don't, and you skip the steps where I said friend the account that will be buying it, which is this account, which is my main account. If you don't friend this account and you don't message the account, I'm not going to even answer your comment. So like, yeah, you see my wish list is empty because I'm always buying myself stuff. And you can also go use, so I'll be buying your wish list, and if you want, you can put house items, I don't really care. The budget is 10,000 star coins, and you have to follow all the rules. There's only been one person who I bought their full wish list because they were the first person to complete everything, and they actually followed all the rules. So yeah, so if you want, oh, interesting. Okay, so my character cannot, I think they're on the verge of ending or something like that. So I guess when I release this video, nobody can get the account. But you guys can see that I'm not lying to you and that you will be banned for a long time because you're cheating with star coins. So yeah, thank you guys for watching this video. Make sure you keep updated by turning on notifications. Stay updated when I post new videos. Comment below if you want to see a different game. So far I've only been doing NSP tricks, mostly on UK server. I also have a US account. Her name is just Lizzie4443. It's just like my UK account but without the X, the lowercase and uppercase X. But anyway, if you're new to my channel, why watch the video when you can subscribe for more? So please make sure you hit that subscribe button. Like this video. Like, share, subscribe, and your channel number to share with your friends, make you tell everyone about this channel, especially if you are a consistent fan and subscriber, then that also gives you a chance of winning any future giveaways that are coming up. So I guess I'll see you guys later, and I guess you'll never see this again. Bye!